The Chrome extension provides many ways for you to get files into Trustworthy, including extracting attachments from Gmail messages, grabbing screenshots, or in the case of this video, dragging and dropping files from your local machine onto the extension. So you don't need to log into the full Trustworthy web app or iOS app. If you're on your desktop browser, you can open up your extension and you can drag files in. I'm going to grab a file from my local machine, drag it onto the extension. If you don't know where it needs to be filed, you can save it to the inbox and file it later. Or if you know exactly where it needs to go, in this case, this is insurance. I'm going to go to my insurance category and I'm going to go to Omaha Home Insurance and I'm going to pick my policy document spot and I'm going to save it there. Now, if you have many files that you want to upload, you can drag and drop many. If your group of files spans many different categories and you're not going to upload them to the exact same spot, what I'd recommend to do is to save them to your inbox and then you can file them later to their correct spot. So I'm going to do save to inbox, and it's going to take all three of those files, send them to my Trustworthy inbox where they'll be waiting for me later. When I connect on desktop or mobile, I can move them to the right spot.